Welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to set up and run Django in Visual Studio Code on Windows operating system by following its official documentation. So let's get started. At first, install latest version of Python on your system. Verify that whether you already have installed or not Python on your system using this command. I already have installed Python 3.14.2. This is the latest version of Python right now. Okay. And then make sure that you already have installed Visual Studio Code and then open Visual Studio Code or directly click on this link to open Python extension for Visual Studio Code and then click on install button. Open Visual Studio Code and install this extension. I already have installed this extension in my Visual Studio Code. Okay. And then follow this official documentation. On Windows operating system, make sure the location of your Python interpreter is included in your path environment. Now I am going to create a project environment for the Django. So we will create a virtual environment in which Django is installed. Using a virtual environment avoids installing Django into a global Python environment and gives you exact control over the libraries used in an application. Okay. Now create a folder anywhere on your computer. I am going to navigate to my desktop and here I am going to create a folder using this command, make directory command. Then navigate to this folder. Okay. Now open this folder in Visual Studio Code using this command, code space dot, then hit enter and trust the authors. Okay. And then press Ctrl Shift P at the same time and then type Python clone create, select create environment. Okay. Now select an environment type. I am going to select venv and then select Python installation to create the virtual environment. Now select the interpreter path. This is the Python installation path. It may take a while for creating environment for Django project. That's it. Python virtual environment created successfully. Now open terminal and see .env. That means virtual environment activated automatically. Okay. Now update pip in the virtual environment by running the following command in Visual Studio Code terminal. So copy this command and activate virtual environment in command prompt using this command dot venv script and then activate Okay, now paste here the command, hit enter. Okay, and then install Django into this virtual environment. It may take a while for installing the latest version of Django. If you want to install a specific version of Django, then use double equal and then write the version like 5.2 or anything else. Now I'm going to create and run a minimal Django application. So use this command to create a Django project into this folder. Okay, and this is the project name. I'm going to name it my site, then hit enter. It may take a while. Here see, you can also use this command from the terminal of Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to run this development server from here. Using this command, Python manage run server, the development server running on this port, control and click on this URL. That's it. Django development server running successfully. To stop the development server, press Ctrl C again. That's it. Now I am going to create a simple Django application using this command. So copy this command and I am going to create this application from command prompt. We can create it from command prompt or VS Code terminal. Make sure that virtual environment activated in the both terminal and command prompt. Okay, and this is the project and application. Now I am going to modify the views file of the application. Test application here, import http responses, and then I'm going to create a new file, name it urls, into the test application. Okay, now update the urls of the project. Okay, here include the path of new application as a root URL. Okay, now start the development server again and try to access. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial.